In this video, we'll show you how to replace the outer tie rod on your Honda Pilot. This is located in the front of the vehicle and behind the wheel. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove our lug nuts with a 22mm. We'll set those off to the side. It's good to use a magnet tray so you don't kick them all over the place. I'm going to use a set of side cutters. Grab each ear of the cotter pin and fold those flat. Then we can just grab it from the back side and pull it out. We can remove the nut using a 17mm. Just going to thread that back on a little bit. Now we're going to strike the knuckle right on the end here by the tie rod using a hammer. Try not to damage any of the tie rod or the backing plate here. As we remove the outer tie rod, we want to count the number of turns. 1, 2, 3, and so on. 14 and 15. This will make sure that when we install the new one, it's in the same place as the old one. Yours might be different. We'll start to thread on the outer tie rod, counting the number of turns like we did when we removed the other one. 1, 2, 3, 14, and 15. Bring the jam nut down to hold that in place, and we can install the outer tie rod into the knuckle. Our new outer tie rod uses a nut that has a nylon lock washer in it instead of a castle nut. We can go ahead and snug that down. And we'll torque this to 44 foot-pounds. Tighten down our jam nut. Snug that up. Doesn't need to be too tight, just enough to hold it. If you thread the first nut all the way on, that'll hold the wheel for you. And now we can snug those down. We'll torque this to 94 foot-pounds in a star pattern using a 22mm. Now you want to take your vehicle for a test drive down to your local alignment shop.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.